This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Esther Denise Holtz. This beautifully renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,548 square feet home offers the perfect blend of style and functionality. Enjoy hurricane impact windows and doors, a new HVAC system with updated ductwork, and a remodeled kitchen with quartz countertops, new cabinets, and a double oven. Both bathrooms are fully upgraded, complemented by smart home features like a new thermostat and sprinkler system, LED lighting, LVP flooring, and custom closets. Additional updates include fresh paint inside and out, and all new appliances, including a washer, dryer, and pool system. Outside, relax by the private pool surrounded by fresh landscaping and a sea wall. Move-in ready, this home is a must-see. For more information,